In today's video, I'm going to teach you to use Affirm on Stripe. By the end, you'll have Affirm enabled as a buy now, pay later option, so eligible customers can split their purchases into installments right at checkout. Start by signing into your Stripe dashboard with an account that has permission to manage payment methods. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the dashboard for the gear icon. That's the settings menu. Click it to open your account level settings. Inside settings, find the payments section and select payment methods. This page lists all the ways your customers can pay, grouped by category. Scroll down until you see the Buy Now, Pay Later section. In that list, locate Affirm. This is the option that lets customers choose flexible financing during checkout, and it integrates directly with Stripe's checkout experiences. When you find Affirm, click Activate or turn the toggle to the On position. This action enables Affirm for your account so it can be offered to customers where it's supported. After switching it on, Stripe will prompt you to confirm the change. Click Review Changes to double-check what's being updated, and then click Apply to save your settings. Saving here is important. Without applying the change, Affirm won't be active. That's all it takes. Once saved, Affirm is now available on your Stripe account. From this point forward, customers will see Affirm at checkout when their cart, currency, and location meet Affirm's eligibility rules. If a shopper doesn't meet those conditions, the option simply won't appear, and Stripe will continue to show your other enabled methods as usual. If you don't see Affirm listed on the payment methods page, availability may vary by region, business type, or integration. In that case, review Stripe's documentation or reach out to Stripe support to confirm eligibility for your account. Also, keep in mind that different payment methods may have distinct fees and terms. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with those so you know how they apply to your sales and refunds. To recap the flow, log into your Stripe dashboard, open settings with the gear icon, go to Payment Methods under Payments, scroll to Buy Now, Pay Later, find Affirm, activate it, review the changes, and apply them. With that, you've successfully enabled Affirm through Stripe. Your customers can now choose a flexible way to pay, which can help reduce checkout friction and potentially increase conversion. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother checkout experience with Affirm on Stripe.